Hi guys, Shouvik and welcome back to YouTube channel. So today we'll solve another question from Leetcode itself. So let's get started. Yes, so today we have this very easy problems, I have to say, that is maximum difference between adjacent elements in a circular array. So given a circular array nums, find the maximum absolute difference between adjacent elements. I think the problem is one liner, is very straightforward, and in a circular array the first and the last elements are adjacent. That is expected. So here means 1, 2, 4 you are seeing. So 4 is actually the adjacent of 1 in circular way. Yes, so what they are looking for, they are basically looking for any, you can search for any two adjacent elements like this way in the circular array. So 1 2 is adjacent, 2 4 is adjacent, and as it is a circular, then this 4 and this 2, so 1 4 is also adjacent. So you can find the absolute difference of all the adjacent elements present in that, and you have to return the maximum of 2. So on this example test case, you can see that 4 and 1 are adjacent, and the absolute difference is 4 minus 1 is 3. So we return here 3. On this example test case, you can see, like, you can choose this minus 5 and 10s, and the gap is kind of 5 only. Absolute is 5 only, so you return 5. Yes, I think the problem is very straightforward, very straightforward, very easy. You're supposed to not going to get this kind of problems in an interview, but if on some companies way rounds, they are basically trying to check on your quick implementation things, then on that particular case maybe someone is going to ask you. So better, like, that is highly a fast quick implementations. If anyone is want to check, then only they are going to ask these problems. Yeah, so we're going to, so there is no whiteboarding today because we are doing the live coding itself, and just we have to follow the whatever the problem statement they have written, we have to just implement it. It's very straightforward, very thorough. So our in should be len of my nums, and I can initialize my answer is what value we can initialize. So our nums length is as big as 100, and every elements of nums I is from minus 100 to plus 100. So what is the maximum answer can possible? If one element is minus 100 and another one is plus 100, then the maximum gap is 200. So the max answer can be possible as 200. So we have to maximize, right? So and minimum answer can be 0 only. Minimum answer can be 0 only. So as we have to maximize, so we need to initialize with some minimum value, right? Now we can iterate a simple for loop for I in range in, right? For I in range in, and now we can do what we can do. Answer equals to max of your answer, whatever it is, to num absolute of, take a absolute of nums of I minus nums of I plus 1, this, right? And finally you can return your answer. That's it, mostly that's it. It should pass all the test cases. Is it so? No, what? List index is out of bound. Okay, sorry. So here actually you have to take a I plus 1, then modulo with n. Then if it is at n minus 1, then in modulo n is 0. Yes, that's it. Because that is a circular. So that is a miss, I have to say. So that you have to, yeah, it's passing the sample test case. Let's do a submit. It should pass. Yes, it's indeed an AC for sure, and that is the most optimized time and space complexity for sure. So the time complexity, tell me guys, we are doing a standard big O of n. And on space perspective, do you guys see we are using any extra space? No. So on space complexity is bound to be a big O of 1. Yes, and that is indeed going to be a most optimized time and space complexity that you can achieve for this particular. And yes guys, I know it is a very straightforward. You are not going to get this kind of problems in an interview. Like mostly some companies online assessments, if they are want to check your speed test, then on some 10 marks, 20 marks, or very lesser marks segments, they basically put this kind of problems. Yes, and so that they can check how thorough you can write your code, how thoroughly you can implement your code. So that is the most of the intentions to put this kind of problems. Yes guys, so that's all about this particular question submissions, and if you guys are able to understand, I guess you guys are already doing so, please do subscribe to our channel. Please share the videos to your friend circle who are also preparing for top product based company and brushing up their DSS skills. And please turn on the notification so that when we are going to live to our next video, you guys are going to get the notification as soon as possible. So that's it guys, that's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow with another beautiful question. Bye guys, bye.